everyone, today we're going to be making gluten-free Brookies, a brownie and a cookie, and it's all with the help of the Pampered Chef mixes. We're going to mix up our brownie mix first. Got to open the bag. So, there we go. Half a cup of melted butter. Now it's just to let this batter rest for about 10 minutes. So while it's resting, I'm gonna make the chocolate chip cookie batter. And like I said at the beginning, these are all gluten-free, and it makes it really nice for those people who have gluten allergies or people who have people with gluten allergies in their home. This one takes the mix plus 6 tablespoons of butter or vegan equivalent and 1 egg or vegan equivalent. All right, I got both batters made. We're now going to put them in our brownie pan, which I have greased with a little bit of vegetable oil. A little bit of water. They're gonna go into the oven on 350 for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna check them. Oh, look. Nice and brown on the edges. 15 minutes looks like it was just the right amount of time. Those are pretty good. We got some new neighbors across the street, and she says that she likes to bake. So she brought us some cookies, so turnabout's only fair play. And I guess Matt and I will have to taste test them for him. Okay, let them cool for about 10 minutes in the pan. And they came out really cool. That's neat. All right, so here you can see just releases so nice underneath and done. Thanks for watching this video. If you like content like this, please subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.